Hello, STEM Read viewers, and welcome to the Top 5 Killer Robots in Science Fiction. My name is Steve Roman. I'm the science fiction expert and teen librarian at the Cal Public Library, and I'll be running you through this list. Number 5, the Nexus 6 androids from Blade Runner. These androids, tired of being humanity's soldiers and playthings, decided that they really wanted to have more life and came back and showed us in a very violent way that they really wanted that. Number 4 is the Cylons from Battlestar Galactica, an entire race of robots who, in their search for God, decided to come back and wipe out all of humanity. You see the theme here? Number 3, the Matrix. Now granted, this is mostly an AI with a whole bunch of sub-programs, but they did have those really cool squid robots flying around the sewers trying to kill off humanity. Number 2, Daniel Wilson's Robopocalypse robots. You've got to admire the way they pretty much just took over all our technology, used it against us, and almost wiped out humanity. And of course, number 1, sorry Daniel Wilson, but number 1 really has to be the Terminator robots from the Terminator franchise. The movie started in 1984 with Arnold Schwarzenegger as the Terminator, and it never let up since then. He's gotta be our favorite killer robot. Those are the top 5, and thank you for listening.